Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a legendary nutritional powerhouse, the mighty Moringa. This isn't your average fruit or veggie. Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree, has been revered as a miracle plant for centuries, and for good reason. Packed with an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa boasts a wide range of potential health benefits that could revolutionize your well-being. But is it all just hype? Buckle up, because in the next 15 minutes, we're separating fact from fiction and giving you the ultimate guide to Moringa. Moringa is a fast-growing tree native to India, but it thrives in tropical and subtropical climates around the world. The Moringa tree is truly a gift of nature, with every part, leaves, pods, seeds, flowers, and even bark, said to have some health benefit. However, the leaves are considered the most potent nutritional powerhouse. These emerald green leaves are a fantastic source of essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. We're talking about vitamins A, C, and E, which are crucial for immunity, vision, and healthy cell function. Moringa is also rich in minerals like calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth, potassium, which keeps our muscles and nerves functioning properly, and iron, which helps deliver oxygen throughout the body. But wait, there's more! Moringa leaves are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. This is especially beneficial for vegetarians and vegans who may struggle to get enough protein from plant-based sources alone. Now, let's get specific. Compared to other well-known foods, gram for gram, Moringa leaves offer 7 times the vitamin C of oranges. That's a powerful immune system boost. Imagine the potential for fighting off colds and flu or simply having more energy throughout the day. 4 times the calcium of milk. Hello, strong bones and teeth. This is particularly important as we age and our risk of osteoporosis increases. 4 times the vitamin A of carrots. Excellent for eye health and vision. Moringa may help protect against age-related macular degeneration and improve night vision. 3 times the potassium of bananas. Keeping your muscles and nerves functioning properly is essential for everything from physical activity to cognitive function. Alright, let's get to the exciting part, the potential health benefits of Moringa. Now, it's important to remember that most of this research is still in its early stages, but the results are very promising. Here are some of the key areas where Moringa might offer a significant impact on your health. Boosting immunity. Moringa's high vitamin C and antioxidant content might help strengthen your immune system and fight off infections. Studies suggest it can increase white blood cell production, which are the body's soldiers against pathogens. This could mean fewer sick days and a stronger defense against seasonal illnesses. Balancing blood sugar. Studies suggest Moringa may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the absorption of carbohydrates in the gut. This could be a game changer for people with diabetes or prediabetes, potentially helping to manage blood sugar levels naturally. Lowering cholesterol. Moringa might help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, promoting overall heart health. This could lead to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular complications. The mechanisms behind this are still being explored, but some theories suggest Moringa may help regulate cholesterol metabolism and reduce inflammation in the blood vessels. Reducing inflammation. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties could be beneficial for conditions like arthritis, asthma, and even inflammatory bowel disease. Moringa is rich in compounds like glucosinolates and flavonoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the day. For more content on healthy living and exploring the power of natural foods, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining us today, and stay healthy.